Hello guys, welcome to see Geeks. Today our topic is how you can create your Treasure NFT account and how you can sell your first NFT. Initially you need to have this app Treasure NFT. You can download it from Play Store or from iOS Store, this one. So this is a Treasure NFT. Go to get started. Click on sign up. Choose your username like I'm choosing Wolf123. Set password of your own choice. So matched mobile number is optional. Then insert your email. Get referral code. This is this one. After referral code, you need to click on sign up. In this way, you can have your NFT account. I have already, so I will sign in. So I already have my account. I will just sign in, username and password. This is my account. So initially you will have 150 USDTs for 2 or 3 days for trial period. After that you need to go to reserve, then click on close this dialog, then click on reserve. Here you can buy your first NFT. Click on continue. So I will have my NFT. Then I will go to collect. So this is my NFT which I have purchased here with $98.3. Click on sell. So this is listed. We'll check in our account amount deducted. So here you can see that I have sold my NFT and the profit is $1.76, and here is my total asset income. So guys, in this way you can create your own NFT account and you can buy and sell your NFTs. Thanks guys for watching and learning.